Hello everybody and welcome to another new video. So where are we going this time? We're going to start in the market town of Bovey Tracey on the edge of Dartmoor, and we're going to go all the way up to Haytor. Really is a lovely drive, and this is a lovely sunny day at the end of summer. So come and join me as we leave Bovey Tracey, crossing the A32 and take the scenic drive up to Haytor. And while I'm at it, if you don't mind, let's get the admin out of the way. If you could drop me a subscribe, it'd be most appreciated. It costs you nothing but helps me make more videos around beautiful Devon. So thank you very much for that. We take the turn left here, and the first of quite a few cyclists as we start the climb up to Haytor. This bit, I should just warn you, is really thin, quite hemmed in, so do take care going up here because you're likely to meet something coming the other way. Interesting enough, the Tour of Britain has come up here a few times. I think it was 2013 and 2016. Oh, and here you go. Here's a van very kindly pulled over, but it is quite thin down on this bit, so do take care. As you can see, a lovely day though to drive up here, and the views all the way up get even more exciting and good really, so please do keep watching. Coming up on our left shortly is a really great place to go, Ullacombe Farm. Great for coffee, freshly baked scones, bread, and they do a cracking breakfast here, so this has to be a top recommendation. Where that van's turning there on the left, so definitely worth going there if you're in the area. We're just about to come on a cattle grid as well, because there'll be sheep, wild horses, etc. when you get up on Dartmoor, so do take care. Cattle grid coming up any minute now. There you go, big red triangle, and here you go, here's the cattle grid. 40-mile-an-hour speed limit. Yeah, that rattles your teeth out for sure, but we are nearly there. It really opens up onto the moor here. Lovely in summer, but I've been up here in the middle of winter and it isn't half exposed, cold, windy, lots of snow around, quite often snow up here even if there's no snow down below. First glimpse of Haytor on our right there, you can just see the path going up to it, the big clump of rocks. National Trust car park on our left coming up. They do ask you to pay in here. There is a visitor centre. There are other car parks so you don't have to park there, and you can see Haytor. I'm panning round. That's the way you're walking up to a very popular place to go. I'm going to drive higher up if you don't want to walk the steep hill. Really is a glorious afternoon, as you can see. Very few clouds in the sky. The sun is definitely shining, and lots of people walking up, which is lovely. As I concentrate on the road ahead, I'm just keeping my eye out for ponies. You can see a few on the left there. They just roam across the road, as do the sheep as well, so do keep an eye out for those. Here's some sheep on your left there. So I'm going to stop at the top here and turn around in the car park. This is another car park. There's an honesty box for parking there. Again, quite popular, but as I pan around, oh, I tell a lie, there's a parking meter. That's newly gone in. But as I pan around, there's Haytor. Absolutely glorious, and if you're down in Devon, definitely a place where you should go. So thanks for watching. Please drop me a subscribe, and if you've walked up there, drop a comment below.